tender, flaky salmon is coated generously in Italian spices and then topped with a fresh herb compound butter. It is such a good recipe and even healthier than the Olive Garden version. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we're making a copycat version of Olive Garden's herb grilled salmon. It's a creative and flavorful take on salmon and it is so good. Let's start by making the fresh herb compound butter. A compound butter is a mixture of butter and fresh herbs, spices, or other ingredients to add more flavor to the butter. We're using a vegan cashew butter, but traditional unsalted butter works well too. Stir together a half a cup of softened butter in a medium bowl with 2 teaspoons of fresh chopped parsley, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of lemon zest, and 1 small clove of minced garlic. Scoop the butter out onto a piece of parchment paper or plastic wrap, then roll it into a log and twist the ends to close. Chill it overnight or until firm. You could also place it in the freezer to firm up quickly if you're short on time. To make the salmon, brush 4 fillets of salmon with avocado oil, then sprinkle each evenly with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Brush a sauté pan with oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot and rippling, place the salmon flesh side down on the pan and sear for 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crispy. You can also do this on a grill pan or over the grill outside. Flip the salmon over and turn the heat down to medium, then continue to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Slice the prepared herb compound butter into 1/4-inch thick slices and place one on top of each piece of salmon. Continue to cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the internal temperature of the salmon reaches about 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare and the salmon begins to flake. Serve the salmon right away with fresh chopped herbs and a squeeze of lemon. Herb grilled salmon with compound butter seems fancy, but it's actually really easy, which is why we love this for weeknights. It will give you a recipe to look forward to after work when you come home from a busy day. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Like this video and drop a comment, and check out this salmon pesto pasta.